So let's talk about the special data type. What is the special data type? It's a data type specific to that language. Okay. But here's a common one that you'll see in a lot of different languages. Now, PHP does not include this. This is called an enumeration. All right, so what's an enumeration? Well, let me give you an example here. I used to use these all the time before I came over into the PHP world. So here, I've got month, season, and users. Well, let's start with users there. So within here, what I would have is subscriber, contributor, author, editor, admin, and super admin. Notice that these are all in caps. They've been declared. So therefore, when I call a user and I say that's a subscriber, what's the data associated with it? Well, here's the data. It's just an integer, and it starts at 0. So this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. Let's do the seasons. I would have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring would be 0, fall would be 3. The month would be January, February, all the way through. It would be 0 through 11, but I don't care about the 0 through 11. Instead, I just use the January. For users, I just use contributor or author or admin. That's it. Why would you want to use an enumeration? It maps a number to a string representation. Well, you see that here, right? Here's the number, and it maps it to a string representation. You use that representation in your code. It's performant. Why? Why is it performant? Because it's specifically designed just for this purpose. Thinking about an array, this is not an array. This is an enumeration. In an array can hold any type of data. It can be of any size. This is specifically designed so that it's just using these integer values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. There's no data associated with it. It just has a string representation that's replacing out the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. It's much more performant. Therefore, it uses less memory. So languages with enumeration in them are C, Python, Pascal, C#, Visual Basic, Java, even SQL. But notice PHP and JavaScript are not on this list. Therefore, if you move into other languages or you're working in SQL, know that you do have enumerations available to you. Here are the takeaways. Special data types are specified by the programming language. Enumeration is probably one of the more common of the data types in the specials. It's an example of using the right tool for the job. So therefore, when you need something as specific as setting up something like months, users, seasons, you want to use an enumeration if you can.